Question 1. Soil formation by weathering of rocks is a process of. The correct answer is pedogenesis. Question 2. Soils transported by wind are called. The correct answer is aeolian soils, e.g., loess. Question 3. A soil sample has a void ratio of 0.5. Its porosity is. The correct answer is 33.3%. Question 4. If the degree of saturation is 0, the soil mass consists of. The correct answer is solids and air only, dry soil. Question 5. The water content at which soil changes from liquid state to plastic state is called. The correct answer is liquid limit. Question 6. Plasticity index IP is defined as. The correct answer is liquid limit, plastic limit. Question 7. According to his classification, soil is classified as silt if grain size is between. The correct answer is 0.002 mm and 0.075 mm. Question 8. Stokes' law is valid for particle sizes. The correct answer is between 0.2 mm and 0.0002 mm. Question 9. Specific gravity of soil solids is usually determined by. The correct answer is pycnometer bottle method. Question 10. Toughness index is the ratio of. The correct answer is plasticity index to flow index. Question 11. Darcy's law for flow through soil is valid for. The correct answer is laminar flow. Question 12. Coefficient of permeability depends on. The correct answer is particle size, void ratio, fluid viscosity, temperature. Question 13. The critical hydraulic gradient IC causing quicksand condition is approximately. The correct answer is 1.0. Question 14. Seepage velocity Vs is related to discharge velocity V and porosity N as. The correct answer is Vs equals V divided by N. Question 15. Flow net is a graphical representation of. The correct answer is equipotential lines and flow lines. Question 16. In a flow net, flow lines and equipotential lines intersect at. The correct answer is 90 degrees orthogonal. Question 17. The quantity of seepage Q is given by K equals permeability, H equals head loss, NF equals flow channels, and equals drops. The correct answer is KHNF divided by end. Question 18. Phreatic line in an earthen dam is the. The correct answer is top flow line separating saturated and unsaturated zones. Question 19. Piping in soil occurs when. The correct answer is effective stress becomes zero due to upward seepage force. Question 20. Effective stress principle was proposed by. The correct answer is Terzaghi. Question 21. Total stress equals. The correct answer is effective stress plus pore water pressure. Question 22. Mohr-Coulomb failure theory states shear strength S is. The correct answer is S equals C plus sigma tan phi. Question 23. In unconfined compression test, the confining pressure sigma 3 is. The correct answer is 0. Question 24. Direct shear test is best suited for. The correct answer is cohesionless soils, sand. Question 25. Vane shear test is used to determine. The correct answer is undrained shear strength of soft clays in situ. Question 26. Liquefaction is most likely to occur in. The correct answer is loose saturated sands during earthquakes. Question 27. Sensitivity of clay is defined as. The correct answer is ratio of undisturbed strength to remolded strength. Question 28. The angle of internal friction for pure clay undrained is assumed to be. The correct answer is 0 degrees. Question 29. Ultimate bearing capacity is the. The correct answer is minimum gross pressure at which shear failure occurs. Question 30. Terzaghi's bearing capacity theory assumes the footing base is. The correct answer is rough. Question 31. For a strip footing, Terzaghi's bearing capacity equation is. The correct answer is Q equals CNC plus gamma DNQ plus 0.5 gamma BN gamma. Question 32. Bearing capacity factors NC, NQ, and gamma depend on. The correct answer is angle of internal friction phi. Question 33. Net safe bearing capacity is obtained by dividing net ultimate capacity by. The correct answer is factor of safety, usually 2.5 or 3. Question 34. Local shear failure is characterized by. The correct answer is no well-defined failure surface and gradual settlement. Question 35. General shear failure occurs in. The correct answer is dense sand and stiff clay. Question 36. Plate load test is used to determine. The correct answer is ultimate bearing capacity and settlement. Question 37. In plate load test, the width of the test plate is usually. The correct answer is 30 cm to 75 cm. Question 38. Standard penetration test (SPT) gives. The correct answer is N value resistance to penetration. Question 39. The standard weight of Ha millimeters in SPT is. The correct answer is 63.5 kilograms. Question 40. The height of fall of Ha millimeters in SPT is. The correct answer is 76 centimeters, 750 millimeters. Question 41. Compaction of soil is the process of. The correct answer is increasing density by expelling air using mechanical energy. Question 42. Optimum moisture content (OMC) is the water content at which. The correct answer is dry density is maximum. Question 43. Zero air void line corresponds to. The correct answer is 100% saturation. Question 44. Sheep's foot roller is best suited for compacting. The correct answer is cohesive soils clay. Question 45. Vibratory roller is best suited for. The correct answer is cohesionless soils, sand divided by gravel. Question 46. In standard Proctor test, the soil is compacted in. The correct answer is 3 layers with 25 blows each. Question 47. Modified Proctor test imparts energy roughly, blank, times the standard Proctor. The correct answer is 4.5 times. Question 48. Consolidation is the process of. The correct answer is gradual reduction in volume due to expulsion of pore water. Question 49. Primary consolidation is due to. The correct answer is dissipation of excess pore water pressure. Question 50. Secondary consolidation is due to. The correct answer is plastic readjustment of soil particles. Question 51. coefficient of consolidation, CV, is used to calculate? The correct answer is time rate of settlement. Question 52. Compression index, CC, is the slope of? The correct answer is E versus log P curve. Question 53. Time factor TV is related to degree of consolidation U and is given by? The correct answer is CV*T divided by D to the power of 2. Question 54. Pre-consolidation pressure is the? The correct answer is maximum effective stress soil has ever experienced. Question 55. Normally consolidated soil has over-consolidation ratio, OCR. The correct answer is equal to 1. Question 56. Rankin's theory of earth pressure assumes the wall is? The correct answer is smooth and vertical. Question 57. Coulomb's wedge theory considers? The correct answer is wall friction. Question 58. Coefficient of active earth pressure, Ca, is? The correct answer is 1 sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi. Question 59. Coefficient of passive earth pressure, Kp, is? The correct answer is 1 plus sin phi divided by 1 sin phi. Question 60. Active earth pressure causes the wall to move. The correct answer is away from the backfill. Question 61. Passive earth pressure is developed when the wall moves. The correct answer is towards the backfill. Question 62. Kp is always blank than Ca. The correct answer is greater. Question 63. Site investigation aims to determine? The correct answer is subsoil conditions, water table, and engineering properties. Question 64. Auger boring is suitable for? The correct answer is soft soils divided by shallow depths. Question 65. Wash boring is used for? The correct answer is sands and silts below water table. Question 66. Disturbed samples are used for? The correct answer is identification, classification, and compaction tests. Question 67. Undisturbed samples are required for? The correct answer is shear strength and consolidation parameters. Question 68. Shelby tube is a type of? The correct answer is thin-walled sampler for undisturbed samples. Question 69. Area ratio of a good sampler for undisturbed sampling should be? The correct answer is less than 10% to 20%. Question 70. Geophysical methods of exploration include? The correct answer is seismic refraction and electrical resistivity. Question 71. Stabilization of soil is done to? The correct answer is improve strength, durability, and reduce compressibility. Question 72. Mechanical stabilization involves? The correct answer is changing gradation and compaction, mixing soils. Question 73. Cement stabilization is most effective for? The correct answer is sandy soils and granular materials. Question 74. Lime stabilization is best suited for? The correct answer is clayey soils, plastic clays. Question 75. Bitumen stabilization works by? The correct answer is binding particles and waterproofing. Question 76. Geotextiles are used in road construction for? The correct answer is separation, filtration, drainage, and reinforcement. Question 77. The critical depth of a vertical cut in cohesive soil is. The correct answer is 4c divided by gamma square root of ca. Question 78. Retaining walls are designed to resist. The correct answer is lateral earth pressure. Question 79. Factor of safety against overturning for a retaining wall should be. The correct answer is minimum 2.0 or 1.55 depending on condition. Question 80. Factor of safety against sliding for a retaining wall should be. The correct answer is minimum 1.5. Question 81. Weep holes in retaining walls are provided to. The correct answer is drain water from backfill and reduce hydrostatic pressure. Question 82. In an earthen dam, the core is provided to. The correct answer is check seepage impervious barrier. Question 83. Slope protection in earthen dams is required against. The correct answer is wave action upstream and rain cuts downstream. Question 84. A filter is provided at the downstream toe of an earth dam to. The correct answer is prevent piping and control seepage exit. Question 85. Failure of earth dams is most co-millimeters only due to. The correct answer is overtopping hydraulic failure. Question 86. California bearing ratio (CBR) method is used for design of. The correct answer is flexible pavements. Question 87. Westergaard's analysis for wheel load stress is used for. The correct answer is rigid pavements concrete. Question 88. Modulus of subgrade reaction K is determined by. The correct answer is plate load test. Question 89. Black cotton soil is problematic due to. The correct answer is high swelling and shrinkage montmorillonite. Question 90. Under-reamed piles are used in. The correct answer is expansive soils black cotton soil. Question 91. Negative skin friction on piles occurs when. The correct answer is surrounding soil settles more than the pile, e.g., fill. Question 92. Group efficiency of piles in sand is usually. The correct answer is greater than 100% due to compaction. Question 93. Group efficiency of piles in clay is usually. The correct answer is less than 100%. Question 94. A shallow foundation is defined where. The correct answer is depth is less than or equal to width d less than equals b. Question 95. A raft foundation is used when. The correct answer is bearing capacity is low or loads are heavy, area greater than 50%. Question 96. Differential settlement causes. The correct answer is tilting and structural cracks. Question 97. Maximum permissible differential settlement for isolated footing on sand is. The correct answer is 25 mm. Question 98. Skempton's bearing capacity factor NC for surface footing on clay is. The correct answer is 5.14. Question 99. The pressure distribution under a rigid footing on clay is. The correct answer is minimum at center, maximum at edges. Question 100. The pressure distribution under a rigid footing on sand is. The correct answer is maximum at center, minimum 0 at edges.